Welcome to our Dentitox Pro review. When it comes to dental health, many people turn to supplements to help support their teeth and gums. Dentitox Pro is one such supplement that claims to help with a variety of dental issues, from yellowing teeth to bleeding gums. But is Dentitox Pro legit, or is it just another scam? In this review, we'll dive deep into the Dentitox Pro supplement and give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. The first thing you need to know about Dentitox is, be careful about the website you will buy this product, because Dentitox Pro is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Dentitox Pro is a teeth and gum health supplement that claims to improve the overall health of your mouth. It's marketed as a safe and effective alternative to traditional dental treatments that can be expensive and invasive. But is Dentitox Pro really worth the investment? Let's start by looking at the ingredients. Dentitox Pro contains a variety of natural ingredients that are believed to help support dental health. These include vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts such as MSM, neem, and licorice root. MSM is a sulfur compound that is believed to help strengthen teeth and reduce inflammation, while neem and licorice root are both herbal extracts that are believed to help reduce plaque buildup and improve overall oral health. In addition to these ingredients, Dentitox Pro also contains xylitol, a natural sweetener that is believed to help prevent tooth decay. Xylitol is commonly used in chewing gum and other dental products because it has been shown to help reduce the amount of harmful bacteria in the mouth. So, what are the benefits of Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro can help with a variety of dental issues, including yellowing teeth, bleeding gums, bad breath, and tooth decay. It's also marketed as a way to support overall dental health and prevent future dental problems. But what about the side effects? As with any supplement, there is always the potential for side effects. However, Dentitox Pro is made from natural ingredients and is safe for most people to use. That being said, if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking any medications, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement. So, what do customers have to say about Dentitox Pro? According to the product website, many customers have reported positive results after using Dentitox Pro. Some have reported whiter teeth, healthier gums, and fresher breath, while others have reported a reduction in tooth sensitivity and overall improvement in dental health. So, is Dentitox Pro legit? Based on the ingredients and customer reviews, it appears that Dentitox Pro has the potential to improve your dental health. Many users have reported positive results, including whiter teeth, healthier gums, fresher breath, and a reduction in tooth sensitivity. While we can't guarantee that Dentitox Pro will work for everyone, it's certainly worth considering as a safe and effective alternative to traditional dental treatments. As with any supplement, it's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with your doctor before starting. Dentitox comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which means that if you're not satisfied with the product, you can return it for a full refund. If you're interested in buying Dentitox Pro, the link in the description is currently on promotion. Click on it to learn more about the product and place your order. For more reviews like this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you very much.